Say hello to the unsung hero behind every sturdy roof, comprehensive insurance. Picture this. A steel coil is loaded onto a ship halfway across the globe. From that very moment, it's under our wing. Our comprehensive insurance keeps it safe across the ocean, through the port, and onto the truck. When it reaches the factory, the real magic begins. Machines roar to life, transforming raw steel into top-quality roofing sheets. Every machine, every worker, every corner of the factory, protected. Think about it. Liability, business interruption, unforeseen hiccups, we've got it all covered. Now, as those finished products hit the road, our insurance travels with them. From light motor vehicles to heavy commercial fleets, our protection ensures that every delivery arrives safe and sound. This isn't just insurance, it's a partnership that moves with your business. End to end, start to finish. Choose peace of mind with insurance that powers every step of your roof sheeting journey. Contact Marna or Anri at Inscorp Insurance Brokers today.